Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today of a new product that just came in. Wanted to open this guy up and show everybody what it's all about. It did come in with this nice little plastic on the exterior, little label right there. What we have looks like just a simple box that's going to be able to pop open as soon as I pull this off. We should be able to. Yep, this works nice and easy. Fire that open. Open this guy up. It is definitely tight on that. It's like a ring box. All right. The suspense is killing all of us. All right, there we go. That's our transmitter. That was quite difficult to get out of the box, but I will tell you I appreciate the packaging quality. Let's zoom back in on this guy so everybody can see what we have. So this is a 5.8 gigahertz video transmitter. We pull this out of the nice hard foam. Okay, the packaging itself, hard foam. You should have the antennas and things below. Long range. There are a handful of different settings on this particular unit. Okay, so this is what we have. So you have this RP SMA, then you have an interface cable here, and the actual transmitter. So if we look closely, you do have the interface there, plug for the antenna cable, nothing on this side, nothing special here, and a plug back to that side. Heat sink on the bottom. One thing I have seen is a lot of people talk about how very hot this does get. This does have some high output as far as power, so I would imagine it will get quite warm. That's going to be something beneficial in terms of having that high output strength for the video of the remote device. My name is Chris with Elevations. I do hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.